Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Roblox account. So at first, just go to any of your browser, then just go to roblox.com, then just make sure to log into your account. Then from here at the top right corner, you'll see a settings button. Just click on this, then just click on settings. And in here, you'll find out that you have no option of deleting your account directly from here. So to delete your account, what you have to do is just go to Google and search for Roblox support, and then just go to the first website, or you can just from here just go to the URL bar and then just type in roblox.com and just cut the last thing. So just roblox.com/support and then just go to this URL. In here you'll see the contact form. So just put in your username, the Roblox username you have right over here. And this is of the account you want to delete. Then just put in your first name. Then just put in your email. Make sure to put in the right email because they are going to contact you through the email to confirm that you want to delete your account. So then just give the device type that you're using. I'm using a PC. And under type of help category, just select data something. Just wait. Data privacy request. And from here, you can select whatever you want. For example, I'm going to select other privacy requests. And in here, I'm typing, I want to delete my account. And don't worry, they are bound to accept this because that's the law. They cannot keep your data. So if you ask them to delete your account, they will delete your account eventually after confirming that you really want to do it. And after that, you'll receive a mail. And after a few mail and confirmations, you'll be able to delete your account. And basically, that is how to delete your Roblox account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.